What do you believe is the most horrible way to die? Oh, what do you believe the most horrible way to die? Have you seen a movie called Saw? Saw is a kind of like a Hollywood movie. In that movie, it's a very like a very really not good movie. Like basically, is this thing ki they are actually teaching us the method of killing people. Like some people are actually trying to cut their hand, head, leg. It's just like I can't even watch the thing. Like basically I can't. Okay, yeah. But let me tell you one thing. The things that you saw in that movie, the Saw movie, okay, the things that you saw, which is completely very less horrible. Yeah, it's just kind of like something really very less horrible. If you went to the historical, like if you went to kind of like in history and look for the how does people kind of like a doing some sort of like a teaching or doing some sort of like a like like what is actually the term for like a लोगों को मारना यानी like basically like चलो मान लेते हैं कि like in this world if I found guilty or if I found guilty in whatever the crime, okay, I usually get फांसी की सज़ा, okay, or kind of like a somethingly dead by the bullet, यानी बुलेट से मार देते थे, okay. But this kind of like a something really very a normal way. It's a kind of like a something really that ki less horrible, less it's a kind of like a something really like a बहुत ही कम डर लगता है इस मौत के, इस मेथड ऑफ मौत के, लाइक इट्स मेथड ऑफ डाइंग प्रोसेस. But if you went to the ancient technique, the method that how does people die, it was like a really horrible. There is a one method that I wanted to mention over here, okay. I'm not really sure where is this method came from, but I heard that, okay. So basically what exactly is this thing ki um is that ki when there is a some sort of person found a guilty on whatever the crime, okay, and at that time the crime was kind of like a something very different. Chalo मान लेते कि there is a guy who actually believe in science and who says that कि earth is not flat, earth is a sphere, and another people, the people who believe in religion, they might not agree with that thing, and they say that ki this is not actually a really good, and it's a kind of like a something really भगवान को गाली देना है, okay. So when those religious people, they feel little bit of hurtful, they kind of like a file a charge against that person, and they give some certain death, okay. But that death was kind of like a something very horrific that you can't even imagine, okay. So first of all is that they make a kind of like a something really a bull with metal, okay, not just a metal, they make with a um, tamba. What is actually the copper, is it copper? Yeah, is it? Yeah, it's a copper. Yes, copper. So they make kind of like a something really a bull size metal with copper. They mixture as a copper. Okay, and basically is this thing. What does they do? Is that it's a very big kind of like a something. Can you imagine there is a bull? Okay, but made up with copper and inside completely hollow. Okay, so those people put their man into that bull, okay. The entire bull is completely sealed pack, entire bull is completely sealed pack, okay. And then they burn the entire bull. Burn means like its copper will not burn, but copper will get hot, because copper is a good conductor of heat and electricity. It is far more good conductor of electricity, okay. So that's why we use copper is in our electricity model. But at that time, okay, they kind of like a use this thing technique, like basically is this thing inside that, like inside means like outside, like the entire bull is actually burn like a, उसके नीचे कुछ तो आग लगा देते हैं, ओके। फिर उससे नहीं क्या, वो पूरी का पूरा कॉपर, एकदम वो कॉपर से बना हुआ पूरा वो बुल एक तरह से गर्म होने लगता है, इट बिकेम सो हॉट, and basically the entire bull is pack, ओके वो पूरी तरह से बैक पैक था, सो दैट्स वाई पीपल, द पीपल इनसाइड in that bull will not escape. Okay, so it is kind of like a something really a slow death. Okay, यानी आप धीरे धीरे मरते हो, and suddenly the entire bull became kind of like a so hot, and just like the people inside it, it's kind of like a something really screaming, 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 but there is only two hole inside that bull, which is at the nose, which is kind of like a create a noise when the inside that person is screaming. The bull is actually screaming. They create some sort of noise. It's like, is so horrified, dude. Just like so horrified. Literally, yeah. Like, can you imagine? Okay. Like, if you have a copper pan, okay, and if you have kind of like a something, another pan, okay, if you wanted to cook some sort of food, the copper will burn so hot, like so fast, like it is really fast. Okay, copper can, like, it is a very good conductor of heat and electricity. So basically it is like a, just can you imagine that the inside temperature was almost like 1,000 degrees Celsius, and literally people die, but it's a very slow death, but it was very very die. Like, how does people will, it is like so horrible. Like, I can't even imagine. It's a, just you go to the YouTube, look for this bull technique to die, kind of like a things that, and just search for, you found out the video, and just like बहुत ही गंदी टेक्निक थी ये, बहुत गंदी. ओके, इट्स एट दिस मोमेंट इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग इलीगल. ओके, बट during almost like a 100 or 500 years ago, those are kind of like a method that they use, was kind of like a something really normal. Okay, but yeah, this is a very very horrified death, and this is just a one that I remember. Okay, there are so many ways to, like, they created a kind of like a something really experiment to die. ओके, लाइक बेसिकली आज के ज़माने में हम लोगों को सीधा मार देते हैं, सो दैट्स वाई लाइक लोग एकदम फटक से मर जाते हैं. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई वी डिडंट रियली फील दैट मच पेन, क्योंकि वो पेन काफ़ी ख़त्म. ओके, बट almost like a 500 year ago or way before that, people try to create some sort of method so that people can die slowly. Okay, उससे क्या होता है कि फील होता है कि ये कितना बुरा है. लाइक उस वक्त, लाइक उस ज़माने में, लाइक वाई डज दे डू दैट. ओके, लाइक बेसिकली दिस थिंग, इफ द रिलीजियस पीपल हर्ट, like if the religious people wants to kill that particular person, they can kill by the bow and arrow and whatever the way. Okay, और उससे वो जल्दी मर भी जा सकता है. बट why does they do that? It because they just wanted to create a some sort of example to the others that कि if you go against the religious, if you go against the government, or if you go against the whatever the law, you will kill by this method. Okay, so basically inside that bull, the man was screaming for dying for almost like a 2 3 4 hour. It took almost like a 2 3 hour 4 hour to entirely completely die. Okay, क्योंकि inside in that bull was fried. Okay, वो पूरा का पूरा इंसान फ्राई हो रहा था. And like, I don't know, and because of that people are bitterly scared of this, all those things when they see. And basically उस ज़माने में ये सारी चीज़ें खुलेआम होती थी. Everything was gonna happen like with the in front of thousands, hundreds of people, and उन लोगों के सामने इस तरह की चीज़ें हुआ करती थी. And it was like really really horrible, really really horrible. So at this moment, this is kind of like a something really a very horrible way to die. I know there are so many ways. You just Google it, you found out it's like super horrible. Next question.